Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about a very important topic for most people in the world, and that is salary. And you know what? Talking about money is normal. Of course, we shouldn't obsess over it and constantly talk about it. But in today's world, unfortunately, money plays a vital role. I'm not talking about a private jet, a yacht, or a $10 million villa. Let's be honest, 99.9% of people will never buy it, and maybe they don't need it. It's not how much we have, but how much we enjoy. That makes happiness, right? But everyone at least would like to have a nice house, so better not far from the sea, maybe a good car, and give their family a decent life. All of this is achievable for everyone regardless of the salary. It's a matter of your financial literacy. Yes, nothing will likely happen in just 1 year, but if you take the right steps over the next 3, 5, 10, 15 years, so you can achieve everything I just mentioned. Let's get back to the question of how to earn a lot of money. First, let's talk about your main income from your job. The path here is simple. To work for one of the best companies in your country and have one of the highest salaries. Most people don't even know the job market, what salaries are possible, and how to get it. Let's say you are a mechanical engineer and your current salary is, let's say, $3,000 per month net. Open any website with salary statistics in your country. Search for mechanical engineer and you see that the average salary in your country, let's say $5,000 per month net. This means the maximum salary could be like something like $7,000, $8,000, or even maybe $10,000 per month net. So that's your benchmark. The next step is to find a job opening with those high salaries. Then carefully analyze these job openings and determine what you need to do to get this job, what gaps you have, and what additional knowledge and skills you need to acquire. Make a list and just start improving.
Sending hundreds of resumes but not getting any response? Engineer Now is a platform for creating resumes for engineers of all professions. The most crucial aspect of a technical specialist's resume is their professional skills. On the Engineer Now platform, technical skills and competencies for almost all engineering professions have been manually selected, and you can add them to your resume with just one click. In today's world, most companies use AI algorithms to screen resumes, so even the format of your resume matters during the selection process. Engineer Now uses formats tested over the years on hundreds of engineers. Use what truly works.
Yes, for many people this won't be a quick path, and it will take years to make such positions and level up. But tell me, what is better? Spend several years improving yourself and eventually land a job with a salary of $8,000 or $10,000 per month net, or just continue doing nothing and the salary staying the same, or maybe just to go up to like 10-20%. It's your call, guys. Just remember, we must all suffer from one of two pains: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference is discipline weighs ounces while regret weighs tons. Which pains will you choose? Now let's say that already earning one of the highest salaries in your country. Now can you earn even more? So apart from climbing the career ladder, such as becoming a manager or CEO, the next step is to change country and move to a place where you can earn more. For example, in Europe, as a mechanical engineer, you might earn, let's say, $5,000 a month net, but in Arab countries, you could earn 10 or 15 or even more $1,000 a month net. Of course, you need a bachelor's or master's degree, something like 10 years of experience, maybe international certifications, and professional engineer status will also give you an advantage. Let's say now you're working in an Arab country and earning $10,000 a month net. What's next, right? How do you earn more? So firstly, you can find a job with a higher salary. For a skilled mechanical engineer with international experience, $10,000 net per month is not the limit. You can earn $15,000 or $20,000 net per month or even more. This is likely to be the ceiling, and of course there are not many such opportunities, and your qualifications and experience must be top-notch. Many people from Africa, CIS, or even European countries are laughing now and saying, so you are most probably kidding. such salaries don't exist. How he would know this? So firstly, guys, I've been working for the international companies in the Middle East myself and getting similar money. Secondly, I have many experienced colleagues who earn even 25, 30 or even more $1,000 per month net. So believe me, I know what I'm talking about. So further development to earn even more is generalist path and the vertical growth on the way to CEO. In this video, we are talking only about the salary employees, but it's no secret that to have a higher income, you shouldn't focus solely on your salary. You need to develop in various directions, including business and investment. And you should start investing not when your salary reaches like $10,000 or $15,000 per month, but when you have first income right after the university. Unfortunately, most people don't understand this concept and believe that you should invest only when you have millions. But millions never come, life goes by and people retire poor. Remember, discipline, patience, and taking risk are the three main qualities that will help you in life. Good luck and see you in the next video. Bye bye.